Hello and welcome to Sing with me today. My name is Mia Karlsson and today we're going to continue working on that Glissando exercise that we did last time, which was zzz. And we worked on keeping your throat open and having the same sound throughout zzz, throughout the exercise. And if you haven't done the video, I suggest you go back and do it, because that video is slow and give you time to really work on those things, because today we're going to take those skills and speed the tempo up. So the exercise today will sound as you can hear, really quick. And this is an exercise I learned from Professor Derek Barnes in London. And he's this fantastic singing teacher. And I think his technique is called hustler technique. And if I understood it correctly, it's very short exercises with full-on support. And I've used this one loads with my students and also with myself. I think it's really helpful. So let's try to work on the sound. Let's start with the Z. Zzz, zzz, zzz. Think of it as the first and the last note. They're on the same line. Zzz, zzz, and it just tries to flip up to the high note in the same space in your throat. Zzz, zzz. And I really do explode into that in-breath in between. Zzz, opening up here, this whole area and my throat. Zzz, zzz. In the actual exercises, I have a little bit of a yawny feeling, or an ooh or oh sound in my throat, keeping it open. Zzz, zzz. Let's try that V as well. And the V might tickle your lips, but if you can stand it, V is a good one to practice. And then go over to the J. So j, 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 j. You can pause the video here if you want to practice just that j, z, that quick movement. Because now we're ready for the actual exercise. And hold on to your hat, because this one is quick. And I'll sing along the first time and then you're on your own. Okay, let's go. As you can see, I'm in that warrior, intense working spirit. So towards my top, I really need to work harder and harder with stomach. Okay, you're on your own. Zzz, ah, zzz. Very good. And just to be clear, when I swap chord, there, you're not going to sing that note. So you're not going to sing zzz, 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 zzz. Okay, let's go over to that V. Very good. Let's do the j as well. Ah, j, j. Very good. Okay, so next time we're going to add some vowels into this, and I hope this helped you. Okay, till next time. Bye.